Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mountain bluebirds and their surprising mating habits. Even though these birds are known for their monogamous relationships, the females have a secret strategy. They actively seek out extra partners who excel in spatial memory, a crucial trait for survival. Mountain bluebirds live in harsh environments, staying in the same area year-round without migrating. To survive the brutal winters, they store thousands of seeds in various locations. Their survival hinges on their ability to remember these locations accurately, as any mistake could be deadly. Researchers have employed smart feeding systems to evaluate the cognitive capabilities of these birds. Each bird is equipped with a radio frequency identification tag and must find a specific spot among multiple feeding slots to earn a sunflower seed reward. The number of mistakes a bird makes reveals its cognitive prowess. Intriguingly, the study found that about 70% of bird nests contain chicks from outside the primary pair bond. Males with superior cognitive abilities were more successful in these extra-pair relationships, fathering an additional 6 to 7 chicks per year. These offspring were not only more numerous but also heavier and better equipped for survival. Interestingly, females with lower cognitive abilities were most likely to seek out additional partners. This behavior suggests an evolutionary strategy to offset their genetic limitations, ensuring that their offspring inherit robust genes that enhance their chances of survival. This study sheds new light on avian behavior, highlighting the critical role of spatial memory in mate selection. The findings deepen our understanding of evolution and sexual behavior in animals, paving the way for further research on how cognitive abilities influence reproductive success and environmental adaptation. If you enjoyed learning about the intriguing lives of mountain bluebirds, subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating science content.